Welcome to gingercookondemand.com. My name is John, and I would like to share with you some important information about this site and the special offers we have available right now in July 2025. Remember to use the coupon code July 2025 at checkout. Hi there. Have you ever wanted to learn how to paint but didn't know where to start? Maybe you've dabbled a little, or perhaps you've never picked up a paintbrush in your life. Well, my wife, Ginger Cook, is a professional acrylic artist who has been teaching people how to paint for over 50 years, and we've put together something we think you'll love. At gingercookondemand.com, you'll find a growing library of nearly 100 downloadable acrylic painting lessons available to anyone, no membership required. These are full-length, step-by-step tutorials, ranging from beginner to advanced. Some are as short as an hour, and some are over 6 hours long, where Ginger shows you every brush stroke, with nothing edited out, mistakes and all. It's like looking over the shoulder of a master artist, from the very first stroke to the final detail. And because these are downloadable, once you own the lesson, it's yours forever. Just like owning a great art book, you can rewatch it anytime, even without internet access. Let me show you what it looks like. Here's the homepage of gingercookondemand.com. You'll find a bit of background on Ginger and the tutorials we're offering, along with other important details. Now, if you scroll back up to the top and click on the On-Demand List tab, right here, you'll see our full collection of downloadable acrylic painting lessons. We currently have 5 pages of tutorials listed in alphabetical order by title, and we're adding more all the time. If you're looking for something specific and don't see it here, no problem. Just click on the green search box and put in a word or two into search field. Let's do an example. Let's search for tutorials that have a boat. There are quite a few, and you can scroll down the list of lessons found. Now, let's see what we have for dog. You can see the complete list, and you may have to scroll down a little bit to see them all. If you are having an issue finding that perfect tutorial, use the Contact Us form and let us know what you're looking for. If it's available on our main Academy site, acrylicpaintingwithgingercook.com, we will try to bring it over in time for the sale. From seascapes and flowers to animals and old barns, we've got something for every taste and skill level. And right now, through the end of July 2025, we're offering 30% off every downloadable tutorial as part of our Christmas in July sale. Remember to use coupon code July 2025, all as one word, at checkout. So, if you've been thinking about learning to paint with acrylics, or want to grow your skills from home without a subscription, this is the perfect time to give it a try. Visit gingercookondemand.com today to take advantage of our sale. Download, paint, keep forever. Thanks for watching, and let's get painting.